In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for inventory management. So in order to do that, first head over to clickup.com, and then from in there, you can either click on this Get Started for free in order to sign up. As you can see, they are free forever with no credit card required. So you can just sign up and then input your work email or your Google in order to sign up. Or if you already have an account like I did, just head over and click on this login option right there. And then from in there, it should be able to allow you to log into your ClickUp by entering in here your credentials, such as your email as well as your password. You can also log in using Google if you would want. Now in here is my actual dashboard on ClickUp. In order to use it for inventory management, we need to head over right here. We have our spaces, and under that you can click on this new space option, and then in here click on this use templates. You can also start from scratch, but I recommend using it for templates. So click onto this search right here and search in here for inventory. Once you have done that, it should be able to show you in here some templates. If you can't, you can also just reset the template styles. And in here, you can see under the operations is inventory. Head over and click on it. Click on this use template. Then choose in here the name of that. Let's choose it, or let's name it my inventory. Choose in here the location where this list should be added. So you need to create an already theme space or a creative theme space for that. Let's choose in here this and import that particular list. So technically it's not a space template, it's just a list template. So click on use right here. After you have done that, this should be able to add this list into the actual space, which in this case is this theme space. You just click on the space where you added it, and then just wait for this to be added altogether into this part. You can go over it here and you can find it right there on the other inventory option. And on this part, you can see this available inventory and needs to be ordered inventory. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.